By creating a unique identifier for each record in your list, you gain the ability to add some actual data power and programming smarts to your campaign. Because on the client side, anyone who clicks your link will be able to interact with your application. It is important that this unique identifier be non-sequential. If you simply use incremental numbers, user number 17 can simply type in 18 and have access to someone else's personal data. You don't want that. So you will go back into ChatGPT and type, how can I create a unique non-sequential, non-repeatable numerical ID for every record in a table in Microsoft Access or whatever front-end interface you use to manipulate your list? You should receive both the instructions on how to create a new field and also the SQL code to populate that field with random numbers of the length that you require. For instance, to use the example in the previous episode, if you're populating the table with 230,000 records, your unique identifier should have at least 6 digits. You may want to add more digits, for example, a prefix that identifies the beneficiary of the project and another prefix that identifies the list itself. It's up to you. Once every record is marked with a unique number in a field called UID, you can simply mail merge this field to call the record up. So you send out an email to 230,000 people. In the subject line you write, hey, mail merge first name, long time no talk, in the body. Listen, I just wrote this white paper, Top 10 Trends in XYZ Industry in 2024. Please let me know what you think. Here is the link. Assuming that you use the same database to power up the landing page, you now enter the unique ID in the query string at the end of the URL link in the email. When someone clicks the link in the email, they land on a page that greets them with their name and allows them to download the report. The same page can shoot an instant notification to you, telling you who opened the page. Now, you can have these hits fed directly to your call center, where your agents pick up the phone and call the people who were curious enough to click your email link. How smart is that? This is next level sales power. There are a lot more details that go into it. For instance, every cell phone carrier in the USA has an email available for email to text service, so you can program the same landing page script to shoot you a text message with the phone number of the people who visit the link, and then fine-tune the email sender to blast the right amount in the right period so you get only as many leads as you can call. So if you see that on average, every 2,000 emails you get 100 clicks, you can program the sender to shoot only 1,000 per day between the hours when you are free to make 50 calls a day. Frankly, marketing doesn't get any more powerful than this. Now look, no amount of technology or ingenuity will save a poorly presented product, offer, or message. But if you're a professional and you get everything else right, this type of setup can easily become your primary revenue generator. In the next episode, we're going to discuss how to prepare the various systems that you need to run a sustainable, massive campaign. See you there.